People living in the Walnut Grove neighborhood don't have to worry about shoveling sidewalks. They don't have any. They love the city trails that wind behind their homes.
This is a path that goes through the entire neighborhood.
And now part of the path is in pieces.
I felt like we were being invaded.
Melissa Epperson grabbed her phone when she saw the trucks in her backyard.
So they're blading the grass too.
Huge blades, 9-foot blades on them, pushing our snow off our path.
Crews not only plowed the snow, they tore up the grass and sod too.
I'm horrified, absolutely mortified.
Leaving big clumps of dirt all along the trails.
I'm incredibly surprised, that the city would do this.
I spoke with Parks Director Brooke Bench, and he admits this was a mistake. He says he had an inexperienced crew working these trails.
That's nice. I call a mistake somebody who does this much and then says, oh, look, the path is smaller than I thought it was. I shouldn't be taking this truck on. Not taking 3 trucks and doing the entire thing. That's not a mistake.
Neighbors want the city to clean it up and seed and sod come springtime.
I was very upset. Because we have a really nice community here. We have a really nice path.
Parks Director Brooke Bench apologizes for the mess and says crews will be back out to that neighborhood again, this time to fix the damage.